So the GitHub Copilot SDK was just announced, and the idea is simple. AI agents are invisible workers. But if you want to build one, it is a little bit of a pain, because think about it. You have to worry about building the memory, so AI remembers stuff, the planning logic, the security, so it just doesn't delete your whole database. I tested it out. The Copilot SDK, the GitHub Stars channel was quite active. That was nice to see. But I was actually quite impressed by how much of the boring groundwork is already handled, which is a good news for developers. You might be thinking, and I'm going to tell you, it's not just an API wrapper, because it is programmable, like a layer you can say, that lets you build the same agentic core that we have been using in the Copilot CLI directly into your own tools, like VS Code or whatever. It works over JSON RPC, so it's language agnostic, and it supports Node, Python, Go, and .NET. So if you're looking at the stack right now in the industry, we talk about LangChain, for example, which is quite flexible, but also takes a lot of work to get to production ready. There is the OpenAI SDK, which often loses that deep native code context. So the Copilot SDK, I would say, sits in the middle. It's a production tested execution loop that handles the state and the tool orchestration while letting you use models like GPT-5 or Claude 4.5. It also supports MCP backed tools, so you can also integrate MCP servers that you configure. We are actually moving away from instructions, and we are moving towards delegation. So like agents can refactor your code using your company's rules, or CLI tools can run PR reviews before you even open your laptop. The repository is actually live. It has cookbooks to help you get started. Let me know what's one boring part of your workflow that you would delegate tomorrow if you didn't have to, build the infrastructure yourself. And test it out for free. Links can be found below or in this post somewhere. And let me know what you build in the comments. Want to see.